The language in this question describes ratios. So let's build a ratio table. If x has a population that's 4 times as much as y, that's a ratio of x to y is 4 to 1. Then we're told that y has twice the population of z. So I want to say that y to z is 2 to 1, but I already have one ratio unit for y. Now I'd like to have 2 ratio units for y. So what I would do is just expand my original ratio by a factor of 2. So now I'd say that x to y is 8 to 2, and now I can continue on for z with 1 ratio unit. Now the question wants to know the ratio of x to z, so looking at our table, that's 8 to 1. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.